And hey guys, we're over here at the Disney Gifts and Sundries store at the Dolphin Hotel Resort, guys. So this is a little gift shop right in the Dolphin Hotel. So this is the big triangle building over near the boardwalk. This is actually a pretty cool little gift store. It's a little bit different than most of the stuff you see on Disney property because it's at a hotel, not the actual resorts. This is a hotel resort. So this is one of the Disney World hotels. Now, as you guys walk in, you can see right off the bat, it looks nothing like a standard Disney gift shop, but they do have just about all the same things in there. You've got the waterware and stuff like that. If you guys are heading over to the pool, you still got your general store. You still got the gift shop in here. You got the magic bands in here. You got the stuffies in here. It's a cool little shop. It's not that big. It's surprising that it's in the hotel and it's this small, but it does got a good mix and match as you guys are walking around. So you get to see a lot of stuff. You got the magic bands over there. And that's actually not a bad size display for this hotel. But you're walking around, you see all the candies and stuff. I urge getting around if you guys get a chance. Sometimes you run into different items as you guys are out here. But keep posted. We're going to keep posting these smaller videos of just the shops, the pools, the stuff like that. We get a lot of people requesting them, guys. So if you have a video you want to see, let us know. Otherwise, subscribe, like, and get this video out there, guys. See you on the next one.